Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question which states that use current divider rule, that is CDR. CDR stands for current divider rule to calculate I1 and I2. Now this is the current flowing. When it comes to this point, it splits into two, I1 and I2. So we need to find the currents I1 and I2. So solution. So using current divider rule, to find I1 will be equal to I1 will equal the total current multiplied by the resistance of the other resistor, which is 2, divided by the sum of the two resistors, which is 5 plus 2. So it will be 3 times. So it will be 3 times 2 divided by 5 plus 2, which is 6/7 or 0.8571. So we can say 0.8571 ampere. So this is the current flowing through 5 ohm resistor. Then to find the current flowing through the second resistor, it will be the total current times the resistance of the other resistor, which is 5 over 5 plus 2. In the same way, this now becomes to be 2.1428, which is approximately 2.1429. 2.1429 ampere. Now, according to KCL, the current entering this node, the current entering this node should be equal to the sum of I1 and I2. Because if we apply KCL to this node, I1 plus I2 equals to I. So now these two currents must give us 3. The sum must give us 3. So if we sum this, 0.8571 plus 2.1429, you see it's 3. So this has just proven that KCL, current divider rule, and the calculation, everything is correct. So in one of my previous videos, I discussed about the formulas. To be used when applying current divider rule. So the link of the video is down in the description. You can check it out for better understanding of this episode. All these formulas were discussed here. In this one, I didn't write the formula, I just applied it. But the formulas are there in the video. You can check it out. And we know that the higher the resistance, the lower the current that flows through it, because the resistance will be more. So this one is 5 ohm resistor. The current I1 should be less than the current that will flow through 2 ohm resistor. That is why I1 is 0 point something. That is why I1 is 0.8571, because the resistance is higher here, and I2 is higher, the current, because more current will be able to flow through lower resistance, and less current will be able to flow through higher resistance, because the resistance here is more. So more resistance here, that's why it's 0.8571, and the lower resistance here, which is 2 point, which made the current to be higher, which is 2.1429. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.